Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Sourdough for Beginners again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a beautiful star bread. It's really easy. I've put the recipe at the end of the video so that you can screenshot it. It's just a basic cinnamon bun recipe. I like using my Bosch stand mixer to make these. It just makes it so much easier. If you check out the description of this video, there is a $20 off coupon code, or just go on the Nutrimill.com website, find the Bosch Universal Plus stand mixer and put in sourdough for beginners as the coupon code. It just makes things a lot easier. You absolutely don't have to do this with a mixer. You can mix up the dough by hand and then just knead it on the counter. So either way works great, but look how easy it is with the mixer. It's got active sourdough starter, milk, sugar, eggs, flour, salt, softened butter. You can add instant yeast if you want to, or you can omit it and just let it rise for longer. Your filling is brown sugar, white sugar, and cinnamon, and even more butter. I really encourage you to try some other ways with this star bread. You could stuff it with cream cheese and jam. You could go with chocolate. There's all different ways. This recipe is from my ebook, our Festive Sourdough Delights. I'll link it in the description of this video. It's on our website, sourdoughforbeginners.com. If you like these videos, please do subscribe. Make sure that you hit like and notification and everything else. It helps keep us going, helps make it so that we can continue to make these videos. I'm really glad that you're watching. So at this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to shape your star. This is probably the hardest part. Anyone can make cinnamon buns. If you've ever made cinnamon buns or a cinnamon roll recipe, that's all this is. The shaping is the main part. Another thing that you can try, I'll post a little bit of a photo for you at the end here, is instead of shaping it like a star, shape it like a Christmas tree. I will link the video on how to do that as well. Happy baking. Talk to you soon.